Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to change Facebook password. In order to make changes with your information on Facebook, first thing first, update your application. After that, check your internet connection. You need to log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So what you have to do is, in order to make changes with your Facebook password, tap on the three dot icon located right on top. Scroll down a bit, go to settings and privacy. After that, once again be specific and tap on settings. Here you can see the information as security and privacy. So after you tap on security and privacy, you will be directed to the security and privacy page. Over here you can see there is account center, which is located right on top. Once again, to be specific, go ahead and tap on see more in account settings. On the red, scroll down a bit, go to password and security. Here you can just tap on change password. So in order to change password, first of all select the account. So first thing, you'll need to type in the current password for the identification, and after that type in a new one. For the confirmation, once again you'll need to retype in and click on change password button. As soon as you've done that, you'll be receiving a confirmation stating that the password has been successfully changed. And sometimes you might also be logged out of the devices that you're currently logged in, so you'll need to log in once again with the updated password. So that is basically how you can change Facebook password. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.